All right, so the last thing that we did was we updated our inventory. We sold to Super A Market. We updated everything. So here we left off with delivering to great restaurant. So what happened here?
I'm gonna give it a shot. I hope you're gonna be saying
Yes.
what we did was we made a delivery to a great restaurant,
Mm-hmm.
and then we did this one that we so kind of ordered on the journal.
Okay, in the journal.
Uh-huh. Checking,
Checking.
checking.
Not checking because this is we're billing someone else. So
Okay, that would be accounts payable.
not payable. When a customer owes us money,
Receivable.
receivable. Good.
It'll be accounts receivable for 585.87.
580, 587.
And then from my understanding, sales of regular coffee,
Good. Sales of regular coffee.
and then sales of supreme coffee,
Sales of Supreme Coffee.
and then we have delivery and
We have the delivery income. Good.
then my note would be in parentheses would be great restaurant invoice number 108.
Good. Invoice. Great restaurant invoice number 108.
And then it would be returns 1% and
1%. 10 net 20.
I would credit the sales of the regular coffee for 256.62.
2 5.62. Good.
0.62.
Mm-hmm.
And sales of supreme coffee, I would credit for 299.29.
Good. $30 for delivery income. All right, I'm going to double check to make sure that my numbers are correctly entered. For $585.87. Good.
And the PR numbers are 1,000 per second.
Okay, that's for checking.
I'm sorry, I had that written down. And that would be 11,000.
11,000. Good. 11. Hold on. 11, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
40,300.
40. Not 40,300. Should be 450.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we're not doing medium. This is just the sales for regular. We're selling by the pound. Okay, now I can barely hear you now.
Okay, so sales of Supreme Coffee, part of account number would be 405.
4058 should be 4. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And delivery income.
I believe it was 48,000.
Good. 48,000. Okay. Perfect. We reached the end of our journal.
And then I was thinking, this being a accounts receivable, do we pay our commission?
Not yet. Did you want to do that first?
We can do that on the back end.
Okay. We could do the
Okay,
ledger.
so ledger is next. And then we just
Okay. Ledger.
go to checking. It's the-
Hold on. Account receivable. Okay.
And then that would be the 627. And then that is restaurant. Restaurant invoice going over.
Great. Restaurant invoice number 108.
We would debit that amount for 585.37. And that would make a total. $2,560.
Good.
And then we follow through with, for the PR 40300 for sales of medium coffee.
Sales for regular coffee. It's good. This one because we're selling it by the pound. It's 40. Wait, that's not it. It should be 450. Okay. 627. How many pounds did we sell? How many pounds?
Going back to the scenario, let's see here. So 70.
We sold 78 pounds. Good. LBS.
256.
Okay, hold on. Let me put my post reference first. General Journal 16. And then we can go ahead and type in 256.62. All right. Bringing my grand total to be
On this long period. Grand total of 1,114.
okay, good. All right, now to Supreme Coffee. How many pounds did we sell?
75.
Yeah, we sold 75 pounds.
For $299.25.
Hold on, let me put my post reference first. So General 16 for the 200.
25 cents.
Oh, yes. 10 cents. 11.57.10 and 10 cents. Good.
Delivery.
Delivery at the bottom. Wait, hold on. That is sales medium. Let me go to my delivery income. Here I am. So the 27.
It's 108. Yeah, it's only 16.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good pattern. $240.
Good.
Considering
Mm-hmm.
right, so the date would be June 22nd.
Mm-hmm.
108.
108.
Price reference is
16.
10 is above.
Let me expand that.
That's July 7th.
July 7. Good.
Anyways, probably,
July 27.
okay, the 30 days.
Oh, 20 days. Yeah, 17. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Okay. Is
585.87.
585. Yeah, 5887. All right. And if we did our formula correct here, it should reflect that they owe us $585.87. Good job. Okay. So then what do we need to do next now that we're on the next page? So we need to start journalizing the 17. So what happened next?
Did we go to the purchase order?
Purchase order?
Invoice
Oh, you wanted to go do commissions.
Yeah, the invoice number 108 commission.
Got it. So for the 27, how much commission am I supposed to be collecting?
58.59. I'll round it off.
58.59, bringing me a grand total of
196.58.
196.58. Good. What else do we have to do? Come on, guys. We just made a sale. So what do we have to do? Subsidiary? What's in the subsidiary that you need to update?
Oh, we did already the customer.
Mm-hmm. We already did the customer.
Already we did the customer. So
What else do we need to do?
inventory.
Inventory. Okay, so we need to go to inventory worksheet. So how many pounds of regular coffee did we sell? Give you a flash here.
And regular is 70 pounds.
78 pounds. So let's go ahead and calculate that. 627 for 78 pounds at
1.63077. It becomes 175020.
127.20.
Update the inventory.
Update the inventory.
107 minus 25.
78.
107 25 minus 78. Was 29.25.
Good.
74 90 minus 127.20. It comes 47.70.
47.70. Good.
The same cost per item.
Good.
Then we go to the Supreme.
Okay. How many pounds did we sell for the Supreme?
75 pounds.
We sold 75 pounds. All right. Do we have enough from our first batch to sell 75?
I don't think so.
No,
No.
we don't.
So we use the 24/7 to buy available there.
Good. Was it 24.75?
Yeah.
All right. And we need to get a grand total of 75. So how many more pounds in the last batch do we need to take out?
Okay, that's 70, 175 minus 24.75, 50.25.
50.25. Good. So since we're taking our whole batch of the 186, so we know that it's going to be 4603. So no calculation there. But what I'm going to do is just to indicate that we took this from the 186, giving us 14603.
And then 185 for the other one.
And then it's going to cost us $1.85 for the second batch. 92.96 and a half. Did you round down? You didn't round up? Or actually, no, yeah. No, you're right. 96. Yep.
92.96.
I'm going to equal round that. Equal round this times this, comma, 2. So 92.96, giving us a grand total of 138.99. Gives us a total, so I'm going to highlight this and make it blue so we know that this is a calculation. I just made it. There you go. So 75 pounds is going to be 138.99. So we have to come here. So 125 minus to equal 74.75, bringing my grand total to 138.29. Is that correct?
Yes.
Let's see, what do we start with? We started with 25 minus 96. So it should be 29. Yeah, good. Okay. So now what?
Let's see the general ledger.
Not ledger yet.
Journal, I should say.
Yes.
Still here. Regular copy. Mexican coffee. Inventory, regular coffee. Mexican coffee. Price. COA. There's a
Mm-hmm.
550, 50, 100, 120, 20, 120, 40. Since we're on the regular screen right now, this is 127, 20. Same thing on the credit side. On the ledger. And the return is 138.99. Same thing on the credit side.
99. Yes, 138.99. Okay. And what's your note here?
Here, Great Restaurant.
Say that again?
Great Restaurant.
Okay. Sold to Great Restaurant.
You can just see the ledger.
Good.
Ledger, and then you can see the cards under the cards. Sorry.
That's fine.
Supreme, regular coffee. Sold 7 to 8 pounds. Okay, 70. Credit 127.20.
What was it?
127.20. A total of 965.80.
965.80 is correct. All right. What about down here?
Supreme 127. Sold 75 pounds. Journal 70. 138.99. Total of 1,008.96.
Good.
Then we go to the assets for the inventory.
Okay. Regular coffee.
June 27. Sold 78 pounds. Tuesday 17. At 127.20. And 47.7.
47.70. And does that match our inventory on hand? For
Yes.
47.70. Good. All right, there you go. Ledger. Go to Supreme Coffee.
627. Sold 75 pounds. Equals 17. At 138.99.
138.99. Oop, 99.
The same amount. 138.99. I am. Huh?
138.99. What? 138.29.
77 point. I'm sorry. Yeah, 138.29. I was coming out with the same 99 cents.
Okay, so good. 138.29 is correct. All right. So now that we updated our journal, we updated our inventory, everything is done. All right. So let me see real quick. How much time we have up right now is 11:08. So let me see what we can do here. We can receive the coffee and the coffee mugs, and then we can just stop there. Oh, I guess we could submit the order as well, and we'll stop there. Okay, so let's go ahead and receive from Atlas Coffee. So, what do we do here? What do we do here? We received inventory.
All right.
Talia, are you there? You want to try this one? I know you're there.
Oh, that's a good Canada.
It's just participation. All right.
You're calling me, right?
Yes, I am calling you. You want to try this one?
I have all my kids having class. If you could hear, everybody's here, and I don't know. It's gonna be hard for me to hear me,
Okay.
if you don't mind.
I mean, this is a group effort, so you want to try at least?
Okay, I'll try. I'm shy. Okay, I'll try.
So we
Okay.
received coffee from Atlas Coffee Importers, invoice number 388.
Um. So we did. Um. So we go to the. We put it in the. I don't know.
We're in the journal right now. Okay,
Yeah.
so what did we buy?
We bought 125 pounds of regular coffee at $1.40 per pound,
Okay,
and it cost us 175.
good. So what did we buy?
I'm sorry,
What did we buy?
regular coffee.
Regular coffee. Good.
Yes. Cogs.
Not cogs.
No.
We didn't sell it yet. We're inputting more inventory. We just received inventory. So we're increasing our assets. So how much are we increasing the regular coffee by?
Um.
You just read the line.
The
We
for 175.
175. Good. All right. What else did we buy?
We bought 125 pounds of Supreme coffee
Good. For how
at
much?
$1.64 per pound. That cost us for 205.
Okay. Good.
And
So if
so
someone
we
gives
have
us terms,
discount
there's no discount yet, but if someone gives us terms, right? Who do we buy from?
Atlas Coffee Imports.
So if they're giving us terms, what does that mean?
That means that if we pay it before, if the 15 days, we get 1% discount
Okay, good. So am I paying them now or am I paying them later?
later.
So what does that mean?
That means that we're paying it before 15 days.
Okay, no. Okay, so ignore the terms. But when you're given terms, what does that mean? Or do you owe them or are you paying them
Yeah.
right now?
No, we owed them.
Okay, so what account is that if we owe them?
Let's see.
We
I don't
owe
know.
we owe them. We owe them on an account. So what does that mean?
Um, we got credit.
Yes, we have credit, but what account are we going to use to appear that we have credit with this person? If you owe somebody money on an account, what is that?
Oh, okay. I wait. It's account payables.
Yes, good. See, I know you know it. Good. Accounts payable. All right. So, how much in total do I owe for accounts payable?
Let me give. Sorry.
Okay, look at the information on the scenario.
Oh, okay.
What is the total amount that I owe?
So you add the 175 with the two.
Uh huh. And what do you get? Talia?
I think she got disconnected.
Her icon's still there. She just muted herself. Talia. All right, Anna, do you want to help figure this out? So, how much is the total amount that you owe to Atlas Coffee?
I think it's 62.50.
Oh, we're on the problem above it.
Oh, sorry.
So we bought $175 worth of regular coffee and $205 worth of Supreme coffee. So how much do we owe them in grand total?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
If we bought $175 of regular coffee and we bought $205 of Supreme coffee, how much in grand total do we have that we owe Atlas Coffee?
Will be
I'm sorry, I got cut log off. I'm ready. Can they hear me?
Yes, yes. Sorry, Talia. Hold on. Anna's gonna answer the question.
Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, guys.
So, how much do you owe?
In total, it'll be around 380. I'm not sure if I'm adding taxes or not.
There's no tax when you're dealing with this. So, are you looking at the scenario? There's no tax.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, so good. You owe
So
380.
380.
Good. All right. Um,
So we don't add the tax on these?
not for this one because we're buying it as a wholesaler. So we get tax exempt.
And it's the same for the mugs and the others?
Yes.
Already. Because that's what was, like I was kind of staying behind, and even yesterday, last night, I was trying to figure out the same thing because I wasn't getting the same results. And I think it was because I was adding the taxes on all of them.
Okay, so here, if there's tax, I will write it out. I don't need you to calculate anything because for this scenario, you're just the bookkeeper. You're just recording what you see. So in this case, I have written right here that I've already done the calculation for you. All you have to do is just recognize what numbers go where.
Okay.
Okay, so there's no tax on anything that you purchase because I didn't list it out. All right, you're not calculating anything. All of this is already done for you. Okay.
Alrighty. Thank
All
you.
right, so who was the vendor that you purchased from?
Um, oh, Atlas Coffee Importers.
Good. Atlas Coffee Importers. Okay, what invoice number is this?
It's number 388.
Okay, so invoice number 388. Good. And what are my terms that I'm given?
The terms is 1%, 15, net 30.
Good. 15, net 30. Good. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my chart of accounts. Can you tell me under my chart of accounts what number is my regular coffee? Or what account number is my regular coffee?
Your regular coffee is number 1912-020.
1912. I have no idea where you got that number. Oh, it's 120. 20.
Okay.
All right. So 1220. What about my Supreme coffee?
Supreme coffee is 1240.
Yes, 1240. Good. All right. And then what? Give me a second. So 11240. And then lastly, what is my accounts payable account? Let me bring it up for you. What account number is my accounts payable?
Accounts payable is 20,000.
20,000. Good. Good. All right. So now I'm completed with my journal. What step comes next?
And it's an importation. There's no check, but there.
Good. No check needed. Good.
But there isn't there an inventory that we have to add in the imports.
We can. Yes, we can. We can place it into the inventory if you want to do that first. Do you want to place into inventory right now?
Mm-hmm.
Did you say yes?
Yes.
Okay, so inventory first. All right, so we go to regular coffee. So 627. How many pounds did I buy of regular coffee? Do you need
I
a,
actually completely forgot.
here you go.
Thank you. Of regular coffee, it was 125 libras, and then the same amount for supreme coffee.
All right, so this one, how much is it per pound for regular coffee?
140 for regular coffee and 164 for supreme coffee.
Okay, so if we bought 125 for $1.40, how do I calculate my purchase price?
Give me one quick second. I'm trying to do it here in the calculator.
That's fine.
Can I see again the chart, please? Thank you. It will be 175
Good.
for regular coffee, and then for the supreme coffee, it'll be
How much is the regular coffee?
what I'm sorry?
What's the supreme coffee?
The supreme coffee, it would be it will be a total of 205.
Good. 205. Good. Right? 205. Good. Where else do I need to go for my scenario here? What did I do? What do I need to do after I post it to the journal?
I'm completely lost right now. I'm sorry.
How do I update each and every single account?
By payments.
Okay. Let me ask that again. So there's a book where it has all of the balances for each account. What is that book called? I know you know this.
Oh boy.
So we have two answers for you. It's either let's do three. You want to go to the general journal, the general ledger, the subsidiary ledger? Which one do you want to go to?
The general journal, that's the one we did, and the first one.
Yes, that's correct. We completed the
So
general
it isn't
journal.
that one. Mm-hmm. So, so,
You can do it.
the subfederal journal.
The sub ledger or the
Mm-hmm.
ledger, the general ledger.
Oh, the general ledger.
The general, yes. Good. So, what is my regular and supreme coffee considered?
It's a
What? Okay, they're debits. Okay, but what type of account do they belong to? So there are 5 types of accounts, right? Assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. What type do they belong to?
They're access, but at the same time, they're liabilities, if I'm not mistaken.
The accounts payable is a liability because we owe. But what was the first answer you said? They are assets.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
But I thought that if uh, something can become a liability if it doesn't, if by a certain amount of time isn't used.
I have no idea
So
where you
isn't
got
it?
that information from.
I'm sorry, I'm completely sorry.
No worries.
So it's an asset.
Is it?
Asset.
Mm-hmm. What kind of asset is it? What did we just buy?
Inventory.
It's inventory, correct. So here I'm in regular coffee. All right. How many pounds did I buy?
You bought 125.
Good. All right. So I'll give you this one, general journal number 17. Okay. How much did I buy? And you said it was a debit, right?
Mm-hmm.
How many how much did it cost me to purchase for the whole entire 125 pounds?
$175.
$175. Good. Now, if I'm increasing my account, right? If I started off with $47.70 and I'm increasing my account, what's my grand total that I should have in my regular coffee?
In the regular coffee, it would be, oops, sorry, 222.
$222. Yes, good. Okay. So the next one I have here is Supreme Coffee. All right. How many pounds of Supreme Coffee did I buy?
In the Supreme Coffee, you bought the same amount.
Good.
And
Sorry, let me go back.
and the amount for the amount in which you sold it, it was, I mean, bought it, it was $205.
Good. Good. Hold on, let me fix my. Good. It was for $205. All right. So if you started off with $138.29 and you've increased it by 205, how much is my grand total that I should have in my Supreme Coffee?
The subtotal that you should have would be $343, 343 with 99 cents.
Good. But 29 cents. Good. All right.
It's 29.
It's
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
it was 20.
Yeah.
I thought it was 99.
No, that's fine. That's the credit what we did. All right. So lastly, we have an accounts payable. What is accounts payable? You did touch upon this already. What type of account is accounts payable?
It's an accounts payable is oh dang it, I remember this.
All right. If you owe, what does that mean?
A liability.
It's a liability. Good.
Since
All
I
right.
owe it.
Yes, since you owe it, it's a liability. So here we are at the very top, accounts payable. All right. The 27. What was the invoice number? Do you remember? I'll go ahead and give you
The invoice number was 388.
good. So invoice number 388. All right. General journal number 17. How much do we owe in grand total?
Wasn't it 350? No. Can I see it again?
Yeah, it's right here. $300 and what?
380.
$380. Now, is that going to be on the credit side or the debit side?
It's gonna be on the credit since you owe it.
Good. 380. All right. I've already done the calculation for you because this is a long and nasty one. So you should have a total that you owe is $3,994.70. Okay? Good job. All right. Now there's one more
This is
page
gonna
that
be
you have to do.
recorded, right?
This is this all one. Yes.
Okay.
All right. All right. So the last thing that we have to go to is our subsidiary ledger because we dealt with a vendor. Okay. Who do we deal with? We dealt with Atlas Coffee. Okay. So from Atlas Coffee, how many pounds did we buy from them?
In total of both.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In total of both of them, it would be, sorry,
That's fine.
250.
250 pounds. Good. What was my invoice number again? Do you remember?
388.
Invoice number 388. Good. I'm going to go ahead and give this one to you. So General Journal 17. All right. What was my terms?
1%, 15, and net 30.
Good. All right. So, in order to make the discount date, what day is my last day for me to receive that 1% discount? What day do I have to pay to receive that 1% discount?
If we paid it on the, I'm sorry, if we, 27,
Okay. How many days is 15 days away from the 27th?
sorry, I'm trying to figure it out over here.
Pull out a calendar if you need one. There should be one on your laptop.
Sorry. So it'll be kind of like the 11th,
Okay, so one more day.
the 12th.
The 12th of July, yes, will be the last day you can pay in order to get the discount. Now, what happens if you don't pay the discount? Then when is it completely due? The whole thing is due when?
The 27th of July.
Good, correct. Okay, so how much was my invoice amount? What am I owed? How much do I owe? Sorry.
62.
No, that's the wrong one.
No. Oh, 380.
Good. That's how much I was billed for. 380. Because I didn't make a payment yet, that means I owe under my accounts receivable $380. Right? Right? Good job. Good job. All right. So with that being said, it is 11:37. Let's see. Do you guys want to do the last part, the quick one for the freight line, or we can save that for the next day? I guess we can do it real quick. All right. So how do you do it? Lynette, you want to do it?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Okay. For the freight, let me see. I have to refer to my notes, I'm sorry about that.
That's fine.
Okay, and the freight would be the regular coffee,
Good. Regular coffee. Regular coffee.
coffee,
And supreme coffee.
and then delivery, delivery charge. No, I forgot the term for that. Delivery income. No,
Not delivery income. We didn't charge people.
the delivery charge,
What does COD mean?
cash on delivery.
So did we pay?
Okay, pay, checking.
Good. Checking.
I'm sorry.
No, don't worry about it.
For the cost for the regular coffee is 31.20. 62.50 divided by 2. 31.25.
Good. 31.25. Same thing down here to give you a grand total of
62.50.
62.50. Good. And what are my account numbers?
Account number is 120.20,
120.20,
120.40,
120.40,
10.100.
10.100. Good. All right.
And go to the cash register.
Good.
An amount of 627. An amount 62.50. Straight line. So underneath go back to the general ledger.
Sure.
Journal, freight line, invoice 699, check number 1525. Is that 1525? I'm sorry.
1526, I believe. 15, let me see, 1526. Yes, 1526.
1526. That's all. And then go to to itemize the cost of delivery liability.
Not my liability.
And, tips.
What's regular and supreme coffee?
Regular under the freight cost or inventory.
Inventory, good.
Inventory. So
Here we are in regular coffee.
the 627 freight cost.
Mm-hmm.
Are we in the 217 still?
I believe so.
Yeah. 217. The amount debit 3125.
31.25, bringing me a grand total in my inventory to be
25 270 25395.
253.95. Good. All right. Lastly, we're gonna update our supreme coffee. So 627.
Freight cost
Good.
217.
Good.
Debit 3125.
Good.
Times 374.54.
374.54. Good. Lastly, checking.
The checking
There you go.
27.
I think that invoice number is not correct. I think that's for the Atlas coffee.
Wait. 699.
6.99. Good. Check number
Check number 1526.
1526.
Credit 6250.
6250.
The 69069.
Good. 36969. Good. All right. Lastly, that's it. And then where else we need to go for the ledger?
Ledger. The exit. Wait. General ledger. The exit. The COGS.
Not yet.
No.
No, we didn't sell anything.
No COGS.
We didn't sell anything.
I am confused in between those two. I'm sorry.
No worries. Okay, who did we deal with?
Atlas Coffee Importer.
Not this one. We just that's not
Oh
that
no
was the
no no.
previous one.
The freight. That's the freight line.
Good.
So we'll go to the customer.
Uh, are they a customer?
Vendor.
Vendor. Good. Freight line is going to be here.
Yep. So 250 pounds.
250 LBS.
Check number 1526.
Good.
Invoice 699.
Good.
DJ 17.
Good.
COD
COD.
6250 under invoice amount.
Good.
Same on the payment, so we don't owe anything from that.
Good. All right. And then lastly, where do we need to go?
It is the inventory.
Did we do inventory?
So we did. We haven't added the freight cost on the inventory.
Good. So, where do we need to go?
Inventory.
Maybe we need to go to inventory.
You add the cost of delivery.
Good. So,
31.25.
how much total for my regular coffee?
31.25 is 206.25.
Oh, I multiplied by accident. Good. 206.25.
Inventory in hand, we add the 20. Where am I ready? 29.25 plus 125.
Good.
25 plus 125. That comes 154.25.
Good.
206.25 plus 47.70. 253.95.
253.95. Good.
Get the cost per item is 1.64635.
Yes, so we increased it by a lot. Good.
Go to the Supreme Coffee.
Supreme Coffee.
31.25 for the delivery.
Good.
31.25. That comes 23625.
Good.
So we add that on inventory in hand. Oh, I forgot to calculate the cost per item, 189.
189 even?
Yep.
Perfect. All right. And then we're going to add it up here.
Add a new quantity, 125 at 189. Comes 232. I forgot the cost. The coins there. At 236. Is that here? 135. 23625.
Good. So we updated our inventory, we updated our ledger, and we updated our subsidiary ledger. Okay, so here I'm going to leave off right here. We're going to continue tomorrow with receiving the coffee mugs. So other than that, right now it is exactly 11:48. If you guys don't have any other questions, you guys are free to go. Make sure you guys attend class on Thursday. I have a huge announcement. It's going to involve a lot of things, and we're going to go over chapter 13 on Thursday. All right? So tomorrow we're going to finish up, and hopefully we'll get to the trial balance. If not, it's homework for tomorrow. Okay? All right? So have a good rest